Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new, welcome. So recently I've upgraded my computer. From the last time I made a video. I got a new video card. And my old CPU, I guess it quit on me, so I had to buy a new CPU of the same kind, AMD 9590. And I got a new GPU. It is the XFX RX 480. Here I'll show you it 1 second. Where's my flashlight? Okay. There's the GPUs right there. Processors, the memory. Got a couple fans. Got it by the window. Power buttons. It's out of the case because there's a lot more better airflow. Out of the case. So the problem though I've been having is with this motherboard. It's a Gigabyte motherboard. Ever since I got my new graphics card, the whole computer shuts down. My power supply clicks when it shuts off, so then I know it's totally off. So I think at the end of this month I'm going to buy a new motherboard, test it out and see how it goes. Yeah, I don't know really what else to say. Just an update on my computer I'm building. I've been building it for like a year or almost over a year. I couldn't tell you. But yeah, that's about it, I guess. Hopefully I'll fix my problem with it shutting down and stuff. So yeah, guess I'll catch you on the flip side, guys. Alright, like this video if you enjoyed it. Dislike it if you didn't like it. If it was boring, it was probably boring anyways, so I wouldn't doubt that. Leave a comment if you have any questions or any suggestions. Yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, peace.